Are you a beginner and don't know where to start your yoga journey?
Yoga flow to strengthen your core. Building a strong core is the foundation of a resilient body and calm mind. Yoga offers a holistic approach to core stability, engaging the muscles of the abdomen, back, and pelvis to cultivate balance, flexibility, and inner strength. Hold each of these asanas for 5 seconds and repeat the flow. Begin with plank pose. Now side plank. Take your left leg back to Chamatkarasana. Come to adhomukha swanasana, downward facing dog. Then forearm plank. Come to tabletop pose. Now do bird dog pose for 5 times. Lift your left hand and right leg up, and then lift your right hand and left leg up. Now lie down on your stomach and lift your legs and hands up to shalabasana, locust pose. Now gently roll over to shavasana. Lift your torso and legs up to naukasana, boat pose, and relax in shavasana.
Listen to your body and be mindful while practicing these asanas. Consult a medical professional if you feel uneasy anytime.